But thank you, Superintendent Burns, for that warm welcome, and I do feel welcomed by everyone here at Love Hardee Elementary School. I almost feel as though I am part of the Love Hardee family. So thank you for letting me come here today. And I am here today because I want to congratulate all of you for the great work that you all do every single day. You know, Superintendent Burns said how well Florida has done. What she didn't tell you is that way back there in the early 2000s, before you students were even born, Florida was way at the bottom of performance in schools. And do you know that in the last measurement, Florida is number 4 in the country for how well all of you students do. Number 4. That's really awesome. And Nassau County has certainly done its part in helping us get there, because the students in Nassau County do extremely well. Your teachers worked very hard to make sure that we get where we are today. And if you haven't thanked your teacher, I hope by the end of the day, you tell your teacher thank you very much for everything they do for you. Nassau County has done some great work, and what I am particularly fond of and focused on, and that is closing the achievement gap. And Nassau County does better than almost every other district in the state in closing the achievement gap. Some really good work right here. And at Love Hardee, I came here to congratulate you on how well you have done. Nassau County has been an A school district for a long time, and Love Hardee Elementary School has been an A school for the last 5 years. That's because of your teachers and because of the work that all of you have done, and your principal and assistant principal. Let's give them all a round of applause.